Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette look. Is look number 41, and this look is loosely inspired by Morticia Addams. I should have done red lip. I didn't think about it at the time, but I cannot see this look without thinking of Morticia Addams, which is from the Addams family. I love it. I hope you guys will too. So let's get started. I used the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids and I Heart Revolution's Peach Powder under the eyes to catch the fallout, which there's usually not any fallout with this palette, but I always do it as a precaution. And of course I'm taking the Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette and Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking that beautiful gray in the palette, one of my favorites. This shade is Almost a Pan. And I'm going to use this on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to kind of use a pressing and sweeping motion to build this up in the crease. And I will go over this a few times to build the shade up to get it where I want. And I really love that this cool tone gray, the more you build it up and stuff and the more you pair it with things, it kind of starts looking purple. It's such a beautiful, unique gray shade. Next up, I'm taking the white shimmery shade in the palette, and it's in the second row, first shade. It has seen better days, but it has been well loved. I'm using that on my finger, and I'm just going to press that on the lid and build that up. It's such a beautiful white. I use this almost every look, I feel like, in some way or form. So beautiful. I love how shimmery it is. And I'm going to use a little bit more in the crease. Every time you see me tap my brush off, there's more like eyeshadow on it. And for the highlight, I'm using the matte white in the palette, and it's in the first row, first shade, and I have that on a large fluffy shader brush, and I'm going to apply that by pressing that under the brow, and then I'm going to start sweeping it down into the crease shade. So I'm going to use that around the edges of the gray to start blending that, and they will blend seamlessly. This palette blends very nicely and very easily, and then I'll go back over it with a crease brush too, just to further blend those together. And I'm going to be taking the same shimmery white in the inner corner, and I will be placing the gray eyeshadow in or on the lower lash line, just building that up a little bit. The lower lash line, not much, and I'm using the LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight to tightline my upper waterline. And then I'm going to be using the no-named little nude eyeliner from the Dollar General in the waterline, wiping away fallout. And then I'm going to be using the LaColors Matte Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to create a wing with this. And this liner is very black, very matte, and it is very nice for $1.25. I cannot believe I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's fantastic. Definitely recommend it. And I'm using the AOA Studios Eyes on Me. This is their white liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to do a thinner line on top of, well, above, not on top, above the black winged eyeliner, stopping before the wing starts. That is my double eyeliner. And then this is Essence Lash Princess, a couple coats of that, and something I normally don't do on the lower lash line as well. And for lips, I'm using a matte black lipstick. You can use any lip color you want. This is the Catsuit liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild, and so Noir cool, and what fun names. And this is such a beautiful black lipstick. I love it. I love how this look turned out. Hope you enjoyed today's makeup look, found the video helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more makeup looks using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Wet n Wild links.